Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we will talk about what is cyberbullying. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is cyberbullying? Cyberbullying is a form of bullying that takes place online or through digital communication channels. It involves using electronic devices such as computers, smartphones, tablets, or social media platforms to harass, intimidate, threaten, or otherwise target individuals or groups. Cyberbullying can occur through various means, including number one, sending hurtful, offensive, or threatening messages or comments through social media platforms, messaging apps, or email. Number two, creating and sharing embarrassing, demeaning, or manipulative images or videos of the target person without their consent. Number three, spreading rumors or false information about someone with the intent to harm their reputation. Number four, excluding or violating someone from online communities or group activities. Number five, impersonating or hacking someone's online accounts to post harmful content or perform malicious actions. The consequences of cyberbullying can be severe and may include emotional distress, anxiety, depression, social withdrawal, academic problems, and in extreme cases, self-harm or suicide. Cyberbullying can affect people of all ages. It is especially concerning among children and teenagers who are more active on social media platforms and may be less equipped to handle such negative experiences. To combat cyberbullying, it is essential for individuals to be aware of their online behavior and treat others with respect and empathy. Parents, teachers, and caregivers should educate young people about responsible internet use and create a safe environment where victims of cyberbullying can seek support without fear of judgment. Additionally, social media platforms and online communities can implement policies and tools to prevent and address cyberbullying incidents. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report. What is cyberbullying is all about. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.